Hey there, it's me Timothy from Anime UK. I'm at a very special place today. I'm actually at
the Brand Licensing Show Europe in the Excel Centre in London.
And this is a place where a lot of people get licenses and stuff. I'm here today just to have a little peek to see what anime goodness may be coming our way in the next few months. So let's hit that montage. This store here very nicely let me in, and the reason I did it, I'm so glad they did. I believe these are the people do some of the Primark stuff. That Jojo, oh my god, this is truly the golden age of anime fandom in the UK, and that's not the only one. Oh my god, I think that's Stardust Crusaders. Like each one of these jackets, Attack on Titan. Now, lovely there, Levi. Oh, we got more Jojo. We got more Jojo here. This is insane. We got some Cyberpunk that's going to make Rebecca very happy. Sadly, she cannot be here with us today. That is I hope this is coming stuff right. The reason I say that, I'll show you in a second. We got some Yu-Gi-Oh! I just missed the Demon Slayer. So it's like, these JoJo's are so gorgeous. Five Nights at Freddy. Let's get back to anime. More Cyber. Oh, is that his jacket? I have not seen Cyberpunk. Rebecca, is that? Oh, I think this is his jacket he wears in Cyberpunk. Naruto. Oh my god. This Naruto jacket is to die for. Just look at the... They got Mob Psycho 100. Hoodie, I would look so nice in that. We have some gorgeous Dragon Ball slippers. Got a lovely One Piece. Even got Spy Family bits here. We've got some nice Spy Family bits. One super cool thing they have. Oh my god, they got these amazing Evangelion sweatpants. I think I look amazing in them. And this one here, one of my all-time favorite anime of all time, Neon Genesis Evangelion. I have a Dragon Ball one of these. I want an Evangelion one to go with it. Oh, that is actually a really cool Dragon Ball shirt. Oh, it's like a baseball shirt. I like to see a Premier League football style shirt. or just a football one. I don't know why I said Premier League. Oh, they got Naruto one as well. And oh, that's an interesting shirt. It sort of changes all that. Oh, that Gundam hoodie is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and they have really, I just like the range they have in just a shirt. Oh, this Gundam. I want this. I don't even really like Gundam that much. I want it. Oh, these Gundams are... And of course, I already own this jacket. This is a jacket that they didn't have in my size to start off with. I just spoke to the lady about it and she was like, this is lovely. This is available now in Primark. Honest God, if you can find it, go and get it. yeah, I do say I do like these Naruto. So cool. Okay, oh my god, that is like the best jacket I have ever seen. I'd always go out in that, but they have piqued my interest there. Well, I've got some Tokyo Avengers stuff. It's quite nice. I still haven't seen season 2 yet. Got some really nice Pokemon hats.
It is just quite an amazing event to see how much anime stuff there is. This is a trade show, so none of this stuff unfortunately is for sale right here, right now, but it is available for people to stock in their stores. So this is the idea of these sorts of shows. It was really wild to see how big it was. They had like the European Championship trophy on display, and they had like the Champions League and Europa League and Conference League also on display. And there were so many mascots. It was so lovely seeing so much anime stuff. The cool thing was actually seeing a lot of like older series, people trying to get the licenses from them back out. So it's going to be interesting to see if anybody picked these up. It was really cool to see Crunchyroll really busy. Pokemon had a really busy store as well. And anyone really doing any anime stuff, they had loads of people around them. So it was absolutely amazing to see. Hopefully I will return next year, and hopefully we'll be seeing some of this stuff in the shops in the next few months. So until next time, see you again. Bye.